High 5K. Welcome to Friday's math meeting, your last one of the week. Let's talk about our days of the week. How many are there in 1 week? 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's sing our days of the week song to help us remember our days of the week. Ready? There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah, there's 7 days in a week. And what day is today? I said it earlier. It starts with an F. Friday, yeah, the last school day of the week. Say today is Friday. Let's talk about our months of the year. How many months are there in a year? Yeah, there's 12. 12 months in the year. Sing the song with me, and you can do the dance that helps us remember our 12 months of the year. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Sit down. Good job. And kindergartners, what month are we in right now? Do you remember? Yeah, it's November. Let's take a look at what day in November we are at. Look, we have a really special day today. We have a cupcake on our day, which means today is someone's birthday. Today is someone's birthday who is a classmate of ours. Her name is Karina. Happy birthday, Karina. Say, happy birthday, Karina. We hope you have a wonderful day, Karina. Have a good birthday. So, let's find out what day it is, the number of days. Let's start from number 5. Let's count up from 5 to find out what day we are at. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's right. We're at 13. November 13th. That's how you say it. Say 13th. What shape is today going to be? Look, let's take a look at our pattern. We have a triangle, square, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, square, circle. So what's today going to be? After the circle? Yeah, triangle. Our pattern is going to start over. Look, we have a triangle number 13. The 1 has to come first, right? A 1 and a 3 makes 13. So, let's write our date. Grab your whiteboard if you have it, and if you don't have your whiteboard, grab a piece of paper and write the date with me. Here we go. The first thing we have to write is our month, right? So, the first letter in November is what? What's the first letter? Yeah, it's an N. The N says the sound. November. Here we go. Make a capital N, which is a line up, slant down to the right, and then up again. That's how you make a capital N. What comes after the N? What letter is this? Yeah, this is an O, a lowercase o. Make a nice, neat circle O. What comes after the O? No. What makes that V sound? Yeah, this is a V, if you remember from our other ones. To make a V, you go down to the right, and then up and to the right. Okay, so we have N-O-V. What's this? Yeah, an E. This is an E. November. Make an E. To make an E, you slide to the right, and then go around. And it's kind of like a C after that. So, November. What about this letter? What's this? It makes the sound, sound in November. If you said an M, you are correct. To make an M, you go down, and then you trace up and you give it 2 humps. That's how you make an M. All right, what comes after the M? We have this letter here, and it says the b sound. What makes the B sound in November. Yeah, this is a bee. To make a bee, you make a line from chocolate to strawberry, and then you give it a belly to the right. That's how you make a bee. Okay, once you have your bee made, we can move on to our last two letters in November. And these letters go together because they say the sound together. What two letters are these? An ER, that's right. Make an ER to finish up your November. Slide to the right, and then go around. And then for your R, it's a line. You trace up and you give it a little hook. There you go. You finished November. Good job. Let's talk about what we need after November. What comes after the November in our date? Yeah, our number of days. So what number of days are we at again? Yeah, 13. Look, 1 and a 3 makes 13. So make a 1 first and then a 3 for your 13. 1, and then down and around again. 1, 3 makes 13. And what can we not forget after our day and before our year? What do we need? A comma, that's right. Make your cute little comma, your cute little sideways smile right next to your 13. And finally, we are ready to write our year. What is the first number in our year, which is 2020? What's the first number there? A 2, yep. Go around and slide to the right for your 2. And then what comes after the 2? Our 0, our first 0, yep. Make all your numbers the same size if you can. 2, 0, then what? Then another 2, yep. Curve around and slide to the right for your next 2. And our last number that we need for 2020, another 0, yep. There we go. When you're done writing, pick up the microphone and say the date with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is November 13th, 2020. Way to go, kindergartners. You are getting good at that. Let's talk about our days of school. Yesterday, we had 49 days. Now, this might be a tricky one because, look, whenever we get to a 9 in the ones place, we move up to a new tens place. What comes after 49? After the 40s comes the 50s, they're called. So if you said 50, you are correct. After 49 comes 50. 50. Say a 5 and a 0 makes 50. Yes. So, and this is kind of a cool number because it's halfway to 100. We're halfway there to 100 days in school. So, let's talk about our tens and ones in 50. How many tens are there in 50? Look at the tens place. How many tens are there? 5. So I write a 5 in our 10 spot. And how many ones are there in 50? None. Yeah, 0. Because there's a 0 in the ones place. So a 50 is 5 groups of 10 and no ones. All right. That is all we have to do for days of school. Let's talk about our pattern. Read the pattern so far with me. Ready? 8, 7, 6. Okay. 8, 7, 6. What is our pattern for today? How is each number changing? Can you tell me what the pattern is? Yeah. Each number is getting smaller. It's 1 less than the one before. So 7 is 1 less than 8. And 6 is 1 less than 7. So write the pattern with me. If you wrote the date, I need you to write the pattern with me too. you can just write these last three. So what's 1 less than 6? Remember, if you need to use your number line, you go to 6 and you just hop back 1. Hop. And then we're at 5. Yep. 5 is 1 less than 6. And to make a 5, remember, you go down and around and give it a hat. Okay. What is 1 less than 5? If we're at 5, hop back 1. Yep, 4. 4 is 1 less than 5. Make a 4. Down, slide right, and cut it in 2. What is 1 less than 4? Our last one in our pattern. If you need to hop back from 4, you're at 3. Yeah. Our last one for our pattern is a 3. Make a 3. Down and around again. Let's double check our pattern to make sure we were going 1 less than the number before. Ready? Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Yeah, we were basically just counting backwards. 1 less each time. We got it right. Good job. Let's see how much money we have today in our coin cup. Count with me. Oh, we got a lot here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 pennies in the coin cup today. Count to 15 with me as I put them on the board for us to see. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry about that. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Thanks for sticking with me. Sometimes these stick together. But now we have 15 pennies on the board, don't we? If I have 15 pennies, how much money do I have? Remember, each penny is worth how much? Yeah, 1 cent each. So if each penny is worth 1 cent and I have 15 pennies, how much money do I have? Should say 15 cents, yeah. Make a 1 and a 5 on your paper now to show me that you know that we have 15 cents here. The 1 comes first, right? And then the 5 is down and around again. I'm sorry, down and around and then give it a hat, right? That's how you make a 5. 1 and a 5 makes 15, and then a cent sign is a C with a line through it. Practice making that cent sign too. So we have 15 cents in our coin cup. Let's talk about the weather. Sing the weather song with me, will you? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? Well, my phone predicted that today, Friday, November 13th, it would be a sunny day. So sing the sunny song with me, will you? It's a sunny, it's a sunny, it's a sunny, sunny day. It's a sunny, it's a sunny, it's a sunny, sunny day. Look, our sunnies are catching up to our cloudies. How many more cloudies are there than the sunnies, the sunny days? How many more does cloudy have? Yeah, you can see that there is 1 more cloudy day than sunny days because they have 1 more in their tower than in the sunny tower. Yeah. Let's talk about our shapes. $5K, how many sides does a triangle have? Yeah, you should say 3 sides and 3 angles too, right? How many sides does a rectangle have? Yeah, a rectangle has 4 sides. And the sides don't have to be all the same, right? These ones are longer than these ones. Rectangle. Kindergartners, how many angles does a circle have? 0, right? It's round all the way around. No sides, no angles. What about a square? How many angles does a square have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 angles in a square. Good job. Let's do our mystery bag, our new part that we do with math meeting that we started yesterday. Listen, I have some cubes in here, and you have to figure out how many there are in this bag from what I tell you. So what I did first is I put 4 green ones in this bag. 4 green ones at first. And then I put 4 blue cubes in the bag. So first I had 4 green cubes, and then I added 4 blue cubes. So how many cubes do I have in my bag altogether? Can you do that in your head? If I had 4 blue, I started with 4 green, and then I added 4 more. If you said 8, you are correct. Yeah, that's actually a devil's fact, right? 4 plus 4. Let's do it on the board so you can see. If I have 4 green, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I make a line to add some. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you did this on your fingers, you would make 4 and then just count on, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4, that's a devil's fact. You knew that, right? So good job. That's how many we had in our mystery bag today. 8. And kindergartners, I want to say a special thank you today because this is the last math meeting that I get to do with you while I'm here, and I've really enjoyed it. Thanks so much for sticking with me as I learned how to teach you math. I really, really enjoyed it. So thanks so much, kindergartners.